Bill Pitts has a well-appointed sports cave. Sports memorabilia hangs on the walls.
NBC Sports.
There's a big screen TV, bar and fridge, everything you'd want, except ice. Bill says the ice maker in his Kenmore fridge stopped working last fall.
We called in September to get it fixed, and the guy showed up.
Bill hoped it would be an easy fix. He had purchased the 5-year extended warranty from Sears when he bought the fridge in 2018. It promised we will repair or provide comparable replacement with no deduction for service.
He's been here 8 times.
Bill's records show the visits. He says the tech defrosted the freezer, made repairs.
This one here was about the 5th or 6th time.
And replaced parts.
I kept telling him that it cannot be repaired.
Bill says he kept calling.
Then in August they said, please do not call us back until after August 19th. A determination is being made. Well, we didn't call him back until after August 19th, and no email, no phone call as was promised.
That's when he called NBC10 Responds. We reached out to Sears. Its parent company told us, since the onset of the pandemic, supply chain issues have been a concern in getting new refrigerators to our members. Since the refrigerator was still cooling and the issue was isolated in the ice maker, we thought we could remedy the issue with a repair. And when the ice maker continued to fail, even after installing new parts, we agreed to resolve the situation by replacing Mr. Pitt's refrigerator. And now Bill has a new refrigerator in his sports cave.
If it wasn't for NBC10, I know I'd still be fighting.
Tracy Davidson, NBC10 Responds.